In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure workflows in Jira using Atlassian Jira. It's a process that, when broken down, becomes quite straightforward and effective in streamlining your project management. So, let's dive right in and have a look at how it's done. Firstly, you want to head over to your preferred browser and navigate to the Atlassian website. This is your one-stop hub for all things concerning collaboration software, IT, and business teams. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner. Here you'll find the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on it to enter your login details. If you're already logged in, fantastic. You're one step ahead. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself on your Jira homepage. This is the central hub for all your ongoing projects and tasks. Your next move is to click on the project that you're looking to configure. It might be a project you're currently working on or something new you're setting up. Either way, clicking on it will take you right into the project's framework. Within the project, you'll see various tasks lined up. Choose one of these tasks as part of navigating deeper into the project's overall workflow. Clicking on a task is essential as it brings forth the task specifics and options menus that you need for workflow configuration. Now, over in the right-hand corner of the task window, you'll notice a small icon represented by 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on it. This action unfurls a drop-down menu presenting several options that apply to managing your task. In this menu, you need to focus on finding and selecting the Manage Workflow option. Clicking on this will redirect you to the Workflow configuration page. This configuration area is substantial because it gives you visibility and control over the various stages your tasks go through as they progress from start to finish. At this stage, you can customize and adapt the workflow to suit your project needs. This setup might include establishing transitions between different task statuses or creating new ones to better reflect your team's process. Understanding the nature of your team's workflow and making adjustments here can greatly improve efficiency and clarity in project execution. And there you have it. You've just taken the essential steps to configure workflows in Jira. With practice, this process will become second nature and empower you to manage tasks and projects with even greater efficacy. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this has been insightful in enhancing your Jira experience. Remember, streamlined workflows lead to better productivity, so make the most of Jira's powerful capabilities.